welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a project called Crash Flying Game. So let's start the video. We are not going to do this project, I'm just going to explain about it. Here we have a teddy bear. This is like a sprite. I just put this here for decoration. Let's start the video. First, background. The background is a blue sky. This building was not in the background. This is the background, but in the background is nothing. But how did this building come? Well, this building was alone. This cat. There are very big commands, so that is why I am going to explain about them. Cat 1 flying. Background and sprites. Cat 1 flying. The cat, which is cat 1 flying, there is a command called when the flag is clicked, the cat will go to front and it will say time to fly for 2 seconds. Then when up arrow key pressed, when the up arrow key is pressed in your keyboard, it will change Y by 10, which makes the sprite go up, and when the left arrow key is pressed, it will change X by -10, which will help the sprite to go left, and when the down arrow key is pressed, it will change Y by -10, which helps the sprite to go down, and when the right arrow key is pressed, it will change X by 10, which will help the sprite to go right. Here, then after these are this is 1 and these are alone. This is 1, 2 and 3. Third one is when the flag is clicked, this will happen. Then it will set score when the flag is clicked. It will set the score to 0. See, the score is 0. If touching button 1, then it will play sound pop and it will change the score by 1 and it will wait 1 second and it will do this forever. So when the cat is touching the button, it is hidden. You can see the button. Wait, there is a button here. When the cat touches the button 1, it will play sound pop and it will change the score by 1. See, there is score 1 here because the fly. So I have to use the arrow keys to make the cat fly and touch the button so that the score changes, and it will wait 1 second and do that continuously forever. That is the cat's command. Next, buildings command. Buildings command is when the flag is clicked, it will set X to 250 and it will go to its next costume. It will repeat this and it will change X by -5. 100 times it will repeat by changing X by -5. Next costume. Next costume means go to costumes. There's a lot of costumes in this one building. When you click next costume alone, like when you drag next costume alone and click on it, the building's costume changes. See, now it is pulling. Now this is a building. Now that building changes into another building and another building. That is how it works. The buildings change into their next costume. That is how the buildings command works. Next, let's see about the clouds command. The clouds command is when the flag is clicked, it will go to a random position and it will set X to 250 and it will change its next costume. Just like the buildings, the cloud will also change to its next costume. A, B, C and D. Because we want that. So in real life, clouds are different, right? that is why we have nest costume, and it will say that's by minus 10, and it will say that's by minus 10 and it will do this by repeating 50 times. It will repeat this 50 times. That is the clouds command. Next, let's see about the button once command. It is called as button 1 because there is also another button in the sprite library. Okay. The button once command is when the flag is clicked, it will wait 1 second, it will hide, it will go to a random position that it can go anywhere. It will wait 1 second, it will wait 1 second and it will do this again. So means you will be able to see it. Hide means you will not be able to see it. If you want this button 1 to be sold, when the button 1 is hidden, and it will go to a random position and it will wait 1 second, and when it is sold, you can make the button 1 to be, you can see if you want to see the button 1 continuously, if you want to see the button 1 for 5 seconds, then type 5 in here. Now it is going to be easy. See? It will be there for 5 seconds. It's very easy. That is everything's command. Let's see about the program. About the game. When the flag is clicked, the cat will fly up, down, left, right. When the cat touches the button, a sound pop comes. And when the sound pop comes, the score changes. When you change the wait 5 seconds when you click the button, and if you want the button 1 to be sold for only 1 second, then it is going to be a bit difficult to play. It will only be there for 1 second. It will 1. See, it disappeared quickly. I cannot go there quickly. That is why that is how we can change. If you change it to, if you want it to show a few seconds, you can change it here. If you want it to show for a lot of seconds, you can change it here. By number, just click. Click backspace in your keyboard and type any number in your keyboard to change it. This number. To change it, to make it appear for a lot of time, or appear for only a few times. So that is everything, everybody. Thank you for watching to my channel, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye, everybody.